Hi, good morning, one and all. So, next is Karna Roga part 4. So, we finished Karna Nidana classification, Karna Shula Lakshanas and its treatment, and Karna Nada, Karna Shveda, and Badirya. All this is Lakshanas and treatment we finished. Next, we will see today Karna Pradinaha and Karna Gudaga, Lakshanas and Chigilsa. So, from the word itself, Karna Pradinaha. Pradinaha means what? Pradinaha is nothing but the obstruction or block. So, Karna Pradinaha is the block or obstruction in the ear. वादेन शोषितः श्लेष्मा स्रोतो लिम्बे तदो भवेत् ऋक् गौरवपितानं च सप्रतिनाः सप्निदः वादेन शोषितः श्लेष्मा. So because of vada, the श्लेष्मा will get dried up. वादेन शोषितः श्लेष्मा. Vada got dried up because of vada. श्लेष्मा got dried up because of vada. And what it will do? Srodo limbed. It will get sticked in the Srodo. Srodo means Karnagata Srodo. Karna ear canal. It will get sticked in the ear canal, and what it will cause? Tado bhaved ruk gauravam pidhanam cha. Tado bhaved, and it will cause ruk, pain, heaviness, and blockage. Sa Pradinaha Sapneda. That is known as Karna Pradinaha. So Karna Pradinaha is nothing but Vadena Shoshidaha Sleshma. Sleshma got dried up because of Vada, and it will get sticked in the Srodas, in the ear canal. That is Srodo Limbed. And what it will cause? Tado Bhaved Ruk Gauravam Pidanam Cha. Pain and heaviness, and what will happen? Pidanam is blockage of in the ear. That disease is known as Pradinaham, Karna Pradinaham. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. According to Susro Samhita, Sakarna Vidko Dravadam Yadagado Vilayido Krana Mukam Prabadyate. तथा सकर्ण प्रदिनाः सप्निदो भवेद् विकारः शिरसो अभितापनः. Sakarna Vidko, the ear Karna Vidko means Karna Mala. So ear wax Dravadam Yada Gado. It will get liquefied. Vilayido, liquefied, and Krana Mukham Prapadyade. And where it will reach? It will reach the nose. That is Krana Mukham Prapadyade. Tadasa Karna Pradinaha Sapnido. That is known as Karna Pradinaha. Paved Vikaraha Shiraso Abhitapanaha. That is not, that will also cause Shiro Abhitabaha. Shiro Abhitaba means headache. Disease in the head, that is headache. It will cause headache. That is according to Susrata Samhita, that is Karna Pradinaha. So Karna Vidko Dravadam Yata Gado. So the Karna Mala will get liquefied, and it will reach the ear. It will reach the nose, and also it will cause headache. That is Karna Pradinaham according to Susrata Samhita. So both are very different views, right? For in Ashtanga Hridaya and Susra Samhita. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Acharya Vagbhada told the Sleshma got dried up because of Vada, and it will get sticked in the ear canal, and it will cause symptoms like Ruk, Gauravam, and Pidanam, obstruction. And according to Susra Samhita, this Karna Mala or Karna Vit will get liquefied, and it will come to the nose, and it will cause a obstruction or a blocked ear. So here there will be headache also because of the blocked ear. Patient will complain of headache also. That is according to Susrata Samhita. This is the Lakshana according to both the Acharyas. Next comes the Chigilsa. प्रदिनाहे परिक्लेद्य स्नेहस्वेदैर्विशोदयेत् कर्णशोधकेन अनु कर्णे तैलस्य पूरयेत् मदो मादुलुङ्गरसस्य वा शोधनाद्रूक्षतो उत्पत्तो कृतमण्डस्य पूरणम्. प्रदिनाहे परिक्लेद्य स्नेहस्वेदैर्विशोदयेत्. In Pradinaha, Parikleda should be done, softening or liquefying of the Karna Mala, Ruksha, dried up Karna Mala should be liquefied. How we have to liquefy that? Sneha Sweder. Snehana should be done and Svedana. So oil should be applied, and also sudation should be given. And after that we show the Yeda that we have to clean the Karna Dwara or Karna Chidra canal we have to clean. Karna Shodakena Anu. after doing Karna Shvedana, Karner Tailasya Purayed, then we have to do Purana using Taila. Or we can use Sasukta. That what we have to fermented liquid can be added. Saindava, the Taila should be added with the Saindava or Madhu or Madhulunga Rasasyava. Any one of this we can use. So Karna Tailasya Purayed, or we can use Sukta, Saindava, Madhu, Madhulunga Rasasyava. Shodhanat Rukshado Utpatto Kritamandasya Purayet. After doing Shodhana, after cleaning the ear canal, if there is dryness inside the ear canal, then we have to do Purana using Krita Manda. Using the Krita Manda. Krita Manda is when we'll keep a ghee bottle, you can see a plain liquid on the top of the bottle, that is Krida Manda. So using that also we can do Karna Purana in case if there is dryness after doing a Shodhana or after cleaning the ear canal. If there is dryness, we can we can do Karna Purana using Krida Manda. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Kremo ayam mala purne api karne. So if the ear is completely filled with the wax also, mala purne apiva. So the same treatment can be given if the ear canal is filled with the dirt. अथ कर्णप्रदिनाहे स्नेहस्वेदौ प्रयोजयेत् तदो विरिक्तशिरसः क्रियां प्राप्तं समाचरेत्. अथ कर्णप्रदिनाहे स्नेहस्वेदो प्रयोजयेत्. So according to Susra Samhita, the treatment is in Karna Pradinaha Sneha Svedo Prayojayed. We have to give Snehana and Svedana. After that, Tatu Vidikta Kshirasaha Kriyam Praptam Samajared. Then we have to do Nasya, that is Siro Virejanam. Shiro Virejanam should be given, and Kriyam Sneha Sveda Nasya Adigam Praptam Yuktam. Yuktam, what treatment is appropriate, we have to give at this condition. But Sneha, Sveda and Nasya should be given. After that, in Karna, proper treatment should be, appropriate treatment can be given. That is according to Susruta Samhita. So these the Lakshana and Chilsa of Karna Pradinaha. So according to Ashtanga Hridaya, Karna Pradinaha is the dried shleshma because of vada, and it will get stuck in the ear canal and it will cause pain, heaviness and a block. And in Susra Samhita, it is the liquefied earwax which will come to the nose and it will cause shiro abhitabam means headache. So in Ashtanga Hridaya, the child is Sneha Svedana and Karna Vishodhanam, and we can do Karna Purana after that using Taila mixed with the Sukta, Madhulunga Rasa or Saindava or Madhu, or if there is a dryness after doing this cleaning of ear canal, then we can use Krida Manda for that, and the same treatment can be used for Karna Mala also. And according to Susra Samhita, you have to give Snehana Svedana, and after that we have to do Siro Virejanam, that is Nasya, and Yukta Chikitsa should be, appropriate treatment can be followed after this. Next is Karna Gudaka. So Karna Gudaka is only explained in Susra Samhita, it is not explained in Ashtanga Hridaya. Vishoshide Sleshmani Pitta Tejasa Nrinam Bhave Srodasi Karna Gudakaha. So Vishoshide Sleshmani, here also Sleshma will get dried up because of what? Pitta Tejasa, because of the heat of Pitta. The Sleshma got dried up and it is settled in the ear. That is Karna Gudaka according to Susruta Samhita. So Vishoshide Sleshmani. Sleshmani got dried up. Pitta Tejasa, because of Pitta Tejas, because of the heat of the Pitta. Naranam Bhave Srodasi, they will be there in the Srodas, Karna Srodas, in the ear canal. That is known as Karna Gudaka. So in Karna Pradinaha, in Ashtanga Hridaya, it is mentioned Sleshma is dried up. There it is because of Vada, and here in Karna Gudaka, in Susra Samhita, it is because of Pitta Tejas. So that is Karna Gudaka. So the treatment for Karna Gudaka are Prekledya Dimam Tailena Svedena Previlyayascha Shodayet Karna Vidkamdu Bhikshak Samyak Shalagaya. Prekledya Dimam Tailena. So a Deman should first do softening or liquefying of that Vishoshida Mala. That is, Kapha, Vishoshida Kapha should be first prakledya. So kledatvam should be there. For kleda should be done using Tailena prakledya. That Karnamala. After that, what you have to give Svedena. After that, we have to give Svedana Pravilyaya. So like that, we have to soften or liquefy that one and then show the air. Then we have to do Shodana. Karna Vidkam. Shodana. We have to clean that. Karna Vidkam means that Mala to Bhikshak Samyak Shalagaya. Using what? Using a Shalaga. Shalaga means a metal rod. So here we are using ear wax removal hook. So prakledi dimam tailena. So first we have to do liquefied or softening of the karna mala using taila, and also we can pravilaya use neha and sweda for liquefying and softening of the mala, and using a shalaga, using a metal rod, we can remove that karna mala from the ear canal. So that ear wax should be removed using that. One more treatment method is कर्णच्छिद्रे वर्धमानं कीडं क्लेदमलादीव शृङ्गेण अपहरे धीमान् अथवा अपि शलाकया. Karnachidre Vardhamanam Kidam Kledamaladiva. So in a Karnachidra, in the ear canal, if there is worms or if there is any discharge or if there is a ear wax, then we have to abahared using Sringam. Sringana abahared. Sringa means horn of the animals. Using that, we have to create a vacuum inside that, and as a suction instrument, we have to put it over the ear and suck the content out. So the kida or the discharge or the dirt inside the ear will come out using that suction. So sringena abahare the man adava abhishalagya. Otherwise we can use a shalaga to remove that dirt from the ear canal. So karna chidre vardhamanam kidam kledam aladeva. Any one of this is there, then we have to use sringa for suction, or otherwise we can use a shalaga to remove the dirt from the ear canal. So now also in modern also they are doing a small suction pump to remove the things content from the ear canal, or they are using ear wax removal hook, and they will put it and remove the dirt. So from that time itself Acharya had mentioned about this suction technique, and Susra Samhita it is mentioned. So that is the treatment for Karna Gudaka, that is ear wax. So this is the Lakshana and Chikitsa of Pradinaha and Karna Gudaka. Hope you all understood the Pradinaha Lakshanas and treatment, and also Karna Gudaka Lakshana and treatment. It is Karna Gudaka is only mentioned in Susruta Samhita. Karna Pradinaha is blocked ear, and Karna Gudaka is ear wax. So hope you all understood these two. Thank you.